Okay, so this video is to hopefully cover questions 8 through 12 in Unit 9. Number 8 says, what is the natural grade elevation at the southwest corner of the lake house? Do not include the deck as part of this house. So if we take a look at the lake house here, and this is the southwest corner that we're looking at. The natural grade is indicated by the dashed lines. We can see that the natural grade in the corner of the lake house hits this 336 foot elevation. Now it might be slightly off from that, maybe it's 335.7, but we can say 336. Question number 9 says, what is the finish grade elevation at the southwest corner of the lake house? So remember, for finish grade, we're taking a look at the solid lines here. So we're going to come up. We have 340. We're looking at this corner. And then we have 342 coming through here, tying back around. So it's kind of difficult to read. We can interpolate this if we want to be exact, or we can just say it's kind of in the middle, and we can go with 341 feet. So question number 10 says, how much cut or fill is required at the entrance to the garage? So hopefully you read in your book about cut and fill. You can see in figure 9-9, cutting is where you're taking away earth, and filling is where you're putting earth back in, like maybe you have an elevation that's too low. So it's asking us about the entrance to the garage, and if you take a look here, we have our driveway coming in, and then it says this is our garage, so this would be the entrance to the garage right here, and it wants to know if cut or fill is required. So we're going to take a look at the contour lines, and we have a let's see, 342, or I'll draw it around so you can see it. 342 contour line here, and we have a 344 contour line here, and it's about in between those. So it's about halfway between the natural grades of 342. We can see the natural grade here and the natural grade here of 344, 42, 44, halfway between. And the finish, we have to look at the finish grade. So it's 343. So if we're between, if this is 343, the contour interval is 344, 342 and 344. It should be about flush with that finish grade here where the entrance is. So there's no cut or fill required. So again, just take a look for that one. We're looking at the contour line. So we got 344, or 42, excuse me, 344. This is 343. It's about halfway in between, so we don't have the cut or fill.